Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Dhiman Motors. He's a BMW specialist and I'm here to do a carbon clean on this. Obviously it's been debadged, but it's a 330i BMW E46. It's got well over 150,000 I believe on the clock, and I'm here to run it on the machine for an hour. He's already had a carbon clean, but it said didn't make a difference, so hopefully I should be able to change that. So check it out. So yeah, I'm here at the garage. Dhiman Motors, specialist in BMWs, old school. He likes his old school classics, and this is one of them. 323, sorry, old school E46, and this is the one that's just been serviced. We had an oil change with a customer. I'm just waiting for it to get warm, and I'm going to hook up my machine, run it on there for an hour, and see what the results are like. So the machine's on. Got the pipe going into the air intake. Just had a new air filter, so it's fairly clean in there, obviously. And the power connections, which is the beauty of this machine, is straight off the battery. So I'm just letting the machine warm up. Those numbers down there, they're the amperage. So because it's a 3 litre, I'll be taking it up to say 7 or 8 amps, which is more than enough for this car. And let's see what happens in an hour's time. So what I normally find is the customer normally feels the difference with the acceleration. The accelerator, when you press on it, it feels lighter, not mechanically, but in terms of how it reacts and responds. Another thing a lot of customers find is the MPG is actually better because the engine's running better, so you need less gas to get the car going up to speed. Takes less time to get up there as well. So all positives. Another thing is any carbon related issues, it can solve them, especially in diesels. But this car is petrol, so I can do petrol engines as well as diesel. Anything from 0.5 or 50 cc's to 6.5 litre engines this engine, this carbon clean machine can do. So it's all good, and hopefully the customer is happy. BMW's been done, 330i, been on it for an hour. Hopefully the customer's happy. Don't forget, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and add your comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.